right now at Tagaytay, Taal Vista Hotel, and it's been a couple of months since the pandemic began. We've been stuck at home for the past couple of months, and we haven't gone anywhere except now. So it's really nice. We've been having a bit of cabin fever, having been holed up in our condo. So right now it's a really nice escape, and we're just here enjoying the pleasant scenery. It's a really nice day. Make no mistake, the virus is pretty much still with us. It's still very much rampant. But when you get to the hotel, you fill up a declaration form, or you scan a QR code, and you get to fill up a declaration form. And they also disinfect all of your bags, which is really nice. And even at the restaurant, you're required to have masks, and they restrict how many people can get in. And I believe the hotel can only have a maximum of 50% occupancy. So there are still a lot of measures being put into place, a lot of restrictions. But at least we're just staying here in the room most of the time, and we're not really loitering around, even though it's a really big space, and you're not bound to bump into a lot of people. But still, we've been here since Friday, so it's today is a Sunday, and we're not really going out much. We just go get food. We eat breakfast at the hotel restaurant. We have coffee, and we're just staying here in the room. We brought the Nintendo Switch, so we've been playing some Animal Crossing or Diablo, and this is a really, really nice balcony. I have a really nice garden view. I was able to fly here yesterday. The Tiny Hawk Freestyle. One of the arms is about to break, so that has to be replaced with something else, like maybe a new Tiny Hawk Freestyle too. I don't know. And yesterday we also went to the pool. So yeah, this has really been a nice mental vacation for us. It's really nice to just have a change of pace, change of view, change of bed, and a change of room, because being in the same place for several months really can take a toll on your mind. It's been so routine the past couple of months, so this is a really welcome change. Last Friday there weren't many people around here yet, but today the hotel seems to be a little bit more packed. There are more rooms filled, there are more people in the restaurant, so that's okay. We're gonna be heading down after lunch, but for now we're still just chilling here in our room, and probably have some more flights in a little bit.
If it's love that you need, you can't take it from me.